In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add bold text to your YouTube video description and how to add italic text as well, and the principle of adding a strike through as well. On mine it's not working, just as a disclaimer, but I'll show you how it's meant to work so you can give it a go for yourself. So this is what it would look like without the styling and the formatting, and here's what it looks like with that on there. We've got bold on Paul Greenwood, and here's the titles. We've got bold there as well, and that's meant to have a strike through, but for some reason it doesn't work on mine, but maybe you can get it working using this principle. I've also added an italic to this text here. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So inside your YouTube description for your video, it's really simple. So whatever you want to add bold to, you want to add asterisks either side of the text that you're looking to format. So next to my name, I'm going to just add an asterisk, which on my keyboard is Shift and 8. I'm going to do it for each of these titles as well. Also, beginner YouTube course, I'm going to add one to that. I'm going to put it at the side of was as well, and then now we're going to put that as bold. Course testimonial, I'm going to put that as a title in bold. So for the italic text, I'm going to do this course testimonial bit here. So to add an italic, all you need to do is, again, either end of the text that you want to italic, it's Shift and it's the dash. So that's the one next to the 0 and the plus and equal sign. So I'm going to put one of those either end of that text as well. I'm also going to add a strike through. As I say, this doesn't work on mine for some reason. It might work on yours. You just do the same button, but instead of it being the underline, you don't press Shift, you just press the dash. You can put it either side. So when we press save and then have a look at the video, here you will see that there's bold text added to your description. That's supposed to be a strike through. As I say, it doesn't work on mine, but that's the principle behind it. It might work for you. And there's your italic text. Hope you got something out of this video, guys. Remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thanks for watching.